Hello everybody! In this video I will replace the headlight in Volvo 940. As you can see, this one here is broken. I will remove it from this module and replace it with this one, used. This headlight is held in 4 corners with screws. It is not easy to reach them, but can be done. I will start with removing the corner light, the blinker. Actually, we must do it first to remove the whole assembly from the car. Careful, don't spill any blinker fluid in the process. This tab here holds the corner lamp to the assembly. Push, slide, and it is out. Here is the tab that holds the lamp in place. Removing it will give access to 2 bolts holding the whole thing to the fender. This prong for guiding assembly. On the side, the module is held to the car by 2 bolts here. Next step is to remove this plastic strip. It is held in place by 3 tabs here. 2 guides here on both ends. Push it down and click. Be gentle. And it is out. Shiny. We cannot reach mounting screws as it is now. To gain access, we must tilt out the headlight using those 2 regulating knobs. As you can see, the headlight moves away from the assembly. Mounting screws are exposed now. We can reach them. There is no easy access still, but I can reach them with this small ratchet and shorten bit. Yeah, turning screws is boring, so I will entertain you with a joke. A penguin brought his strange acting car to a garage. I don't have any idea how a penguin's car may look like, but anyhow. The mechanic said, "Give me an hour to figure out what is wrong here and I will give you an estimate cost for repair." So the penguin had 1 hour to spare. He went to a nearby ice cream parlor. He ordered vanilla ice cream, but you know, penguins don't have hands. So it was messy all over his beak. He came back to the garage and the mechanic said, "It looks like you blown a seal." And the penguin replied, No, this is just a little bit of an ice cream." Meanwhile, all the screws are out, so we can remove the headlight. I will switch the bulb into installed headlight. Here you can see the headlight frame attached in diagonal corners to the assembly by those long bolts. Those 2 knobs at the top move the regulating bolts. Not so new, but intact headlight in. I attach all screws before tightening them. All 4 done. Now I will bring the headlight to the right position in the assembly. Right about there. Spring clips hold the glass to the reflector. It is glued together, just in case. Now I will transfer the bulb. This tab facing up. It is just pressed in, and it is out. Halogen bulb. Absolutely do not touch. If you do, wipe it with alcohol. I didn't, so I can drink mine. Push it, ring it. Done. Once again, bolts tilting the headlight. Plastic strip. On the car it goes. Here you can see side bolts openings. Plugs. This fog light plug is hard to reach on the car, so I connect it right away. The headlight connector not so much, but let's do it anyhow. Attachment points and the blinker plug. Two bolts in the fender. Two bolts on the side. Tighten or fall. The corner light? Maybe it is good time to check or replace blinker fluid. Better safe than sorry. Push it in until the tab engages. Now the grill, but I don't mean barbecue. This will be later. Two holding places on both sides. The grill has this tab on the bottom and opening at the top. Two spring clips like this hold the grill on both sides. I would love to install European lights on my cars, but obviously those are hard to reach here in Canada. If you have spare, let me know. Till next time.